शीत ऋतु की हो रही है विदाई, ग्रीष्म ऋतु की आहट है आई। सूरज की किरणों ने उष्णता है दिखलाई, देखो देखो होली है आई। बच्चों ने होली की योजना खूब है बनाई, रंग बिरंगी पिचकारियां बाबा से है मंगवाई। बच्चों ने खूब मिठाइयां खाकर शहर में खूब धूम है मचाई, देखो देखो होली है आई। These lines by poetess Mamta Asati bears the essence of the Indian festival of colors Holi. Hello, Namaste, Salaam, Sat Sri Akal. I am Piyali Mutha and today's Holi recipe is Odisha Bara Ghuguni, black gram fritters served with yellow peas curry. Pressure cook dried yellow peas soaked overnight in water after adding potatoes, turmeric and salt. To hot oil, add onion, ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Fry, add turmeric, red chilli and Ghuguni Masala Powder and mix. Add tomatoes, add the boiled yellow peas and potatoes. The yellow peas and potatoes are perfectly cooked while retaining their shape. Mix well and add water. Add salt and Garam Masala Powder. Garnish with coriander leaves. For the black gram fritters, grind overnight soaked black gram to paste. Add soda bicarbonate, semolina, salt, onion, green chilies, curry leaves, garlic, mango, ginger, coriander leaves. Mix well using your hands for a couple of minutes. Shape into fritters and fry them on medium heat till golden. Serve with ghugni, onions, coriander leaves, tamarind chutney. If you try this recipe, do tag that one dish.